In today's Wix tutorial, I will show you how to change the website name of your Wix website. So let's get started. First off, go over to My Sites, so manage.wix.com/account/sites, and then go over to the website of which you would like to change its name. Simply click on it, and you will then be sent over to your dashboard. Now once you're there, you're gonna go over to the search bar and search for name. You'll then see Tools and Settings, and you want to click on either business or website name or rename site. So edit your site's name and web address or set your business and site names. I'm going to click on the first one and change the name from Lucas and Art to Lucas and Art Studio. Now once you've changed the name, simply click on Save. And of course, if you'd also like to change or rename your site, so the site address, simply click on that. You'll get the rename site pop-up, and now you can rename your site to Lucas and Art Studio. You then have the site address URL below that. Your site isn't published yet. When you publish, this will be your free domain. So this can either be website 5 or studio. Now obviously I'm on the free plan, so for me it will stay at Lucasen Tutorials, which is my Wix username, .wixsite.com. Now it can be /studio or basically anything you'd like to be there. Now you simply want to click on Save. And now it will be renaming your site. And that's how to change the name, so the business name and your website name on your Wix account. If this video helps you out, please let me know by leaving a like, and also comment something like it worked for me, so that I know this tutorial is still up to date. Now if you want to learn how to increase the sales by adding a related product tab to your website, make sure to watch this video right here, and I will see you there.